Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll see command line argument problems and how to write the command line argument programs. Okay, so here we'll do it using C language. So to write the command line argument, so the main function you have to write int argc. So argc is the count of given arguments. So how many arguments are you giving? This is the count of given arguments. Okay. So then we'll write character and then argv. So argv contains the list of given inputs. So argc the count of given arguments and argv contains the list of given inputs. Okay, so you can see here argc, that means argument count. So that's why argc, and here you can see argv, that is argument values. Okay, so this contains the list of given inputs. So here you can see command line argument. So you have to give some argument here. Okay, so for now we'll run this program and see if it works perfectly or not. Okay, let's run it. Okay, here you can see hello world, and this gives perfect output. So now we'll do a code using command line argument, and we want to add two elements using this command line argument. Okay, for that write here two variables, int a and v. So these are the two variables, and using this command line argument we'll give some values here, and that value will be stored into this a and v. So for that we have to write a equals to argv, and here give 1 for first argument. Okay, so you are giving first argument here, and this argument will be stored into this a, and similarly we'll store the second argument, and we'll write here argv and then 2. So the first argument which you will give here, that will be stored into variable a, and the second argument we will give here, that will be stored into another variable, that is v. In the command line argument what we give, that is a string. So in the command line argument, if we give here suppose 7 and 19, so these two are treated as string. So we have to convert this argument into integer, because a and v both are integer. So we have to convert this argument into integer. So for that we'll write here atoi. Okay, so this will convert the string into integer. So similarly we'll write here atoi. Okay, so this atoi function included into a header file. So we have to include that header file here as include standard library.h. Okay, so if we give some inputs here, so that will be stored into these two variables a and v. Okay, so now we want to print that as output, but we want to sum of these two numbers. Okay, for that inside this printf function write sum of %d and %d is %d. Okay, so sum of a and v is a plus b. Okay, so this will print the sum of these two elements a and v. So before that we want to see how many arguments are there. So you can see here argc, so this will count the arguments, and here the two arguments, argument 1 and argument 2. So we'll also print the count of the arguments. So for that write here printf, and inside this write number of argument %d. Okay, So here write ARGC. So this will print the number of arguments. Okay, give some inputs here. Suppose we want to sum two elements like 10 and 12. Okay, so after giving these command line arguments, let's run it. Okay, here you can see number of argument equals to 3 and sum of 10 and 12 is equals to 22. But we have gave here two arguments, argument 1 and argument 2. But by default there is another argument whose position is 0, that is ARGV 0. So that's why the total number of arguments is 3. So you can see here the number of argument equals to 3 and the sum of this 10 and 12 is 22. Okay friends, so this is how you can write the command line argument program. So command line argument program is very important for your competitive exams and your on campus and off campus exam also. So if you have any doubt, then please comment below and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.